we're back at Kingswood Junction. Well, that's Kingswood Junction up there. Lapworth. And a bit late arriving back, so we booked into the Boot Inn Gastropub, and if I can give you a recommendation, the Boot Inn is a very, very good indeed gastropub. I'll put a little picture up of my lamb. It was perfect, and what a find, what an absolute find. So everybody at the Boot Inn Lapworth, thank you. So we're not staying here because we're right under the noisy railway bridge, and we thought it'd be quite nice to get some sleep, especially as Charlotte is out first thing in the morning, going back to Sheffield because we've got some work. Hello, darling. All right, the captain's joined us. Whew, so lovely meal, 3 pints of yes, never mind, shouldn't really drink and sail. We're now only going up 4 locks, and we're going to moor actually not far outside the Boot, so I might go there for lunch because Charlotte will be back in Sheffield. Take Marley for a nice long walk in the morning, and all will be good. So it's what is it, 9, half 9, it's 9:30, and today's Thursday, I'm fairly sure the 22nd of July. Whew. What a beautiful evening, beautiful meal, beautiful staff, very beautiful staff, lovely beautiful staff actually. Should really say that, should not objectify your serving staff, but they were lovely. And so 4 locks to go. That's why we're not fucking staying there, by the way. We have found a little mooring just before the pub, and that will be it. So for tonight, I think fuck it, that's it. Bloody swore, didn't I? Shit, I said I wasn't going to swear in this. Never mind. Here we are. I've had a couple of drinks. So what? Try not to crash the boat. That would be very, very bad form for someone with my supposed experience. Enough now. Use both hands. Night sailing and into narrow locks. These are narrow locks from now on. Oh, that's a bit scary. Night time at wherever we are, Lapworth. It's not, it's Kingswood. It's difficult sometimes in you know, boating vocabulary to explain where you are, because things like Stratford Stop on the Oxford / Coventry is actually Hawkesbury Junction, so it's called Hawkesbury Junction. It's Stratford Stop if you look on a map. So this is Lapworth, but it's actually Kingswood Junction. So there's those two etymologies in place. Do I sound pissed? I ought to stop. I ought to stop filming really, shouldn't I? It's that time of night where people start looking out their window. So there's a weird bloke stood on back at the boat talking into his phone. Thank you. I've just drifted backwards into the gates. Fucking hell, what a nonsense. By the way, hire boats aren't allowed to cruise at night, but because we own this, we can do as much damage as we want. We won't do any damage, and we won't upset any other boaters, honestly. There's a new view for you, boys and girls. Going into a narrow lock at night time. Charlotte's gone to the car to get the last couple of really heavy bags. Although I will say down there somewhere. You can't see obviously because it's dark. I did carry a new freezer bag that we've got with about 20 kilos of soft drinks and not so soft drinks in. It takes 40 cans, but I worked out there's 20 kilos in there, which is the same as a corny keg. Didn't half know I had that on my shoulder, I'll tell you. Right, so we're going to wait now for Charlotte to close these gates, start bringing us up into the lock, and then dump the remaining bags on. I think there's only a couple, but they were really heavy, all the towels and clothing and stuff. Crikey, let's hope they haven't been stolen from the car. A little bonus footage this, isn't it? Nighttime fumbling around. Oh yes. I just wanted to catch this for posterity. It's 5 to 10 and I'm gliding into this narrow lock without contact. People, please note. It's cooling down, it's nice. I'm sobering up. Apparently there's 5 locks we've got to do, so this is number 3. 2 more after this. Look, what a lovely night. Look at that. Look at the beautifulness of that sky. It's beautiful. I've forgotten what it's like sailing at night. I actually quite like it.